And then tsatsi le lengwe ke na le ena vele, okay, we were watching a movie, and then I remember, let me buy you a car. So okay, I signed the papers. He asked for my original ID. Since like le guy boyfriend yaga. So guy, how came a text, babe, can't you what's going on? Where's the car? Okay, August na ya fita month end of August ke thola SMS Discovery Bank you owing 2 point something, cause never ke ba phone la loko bank ke ba botse ba re ke kolota 303. It was 303,000. So now because next skipa dilote, it's now on 693. Sure. So go to guy o berekisitse le banyana ba bangwe wa ibo gore a ba itsise tsona lotseo le banyana ba o le bona koloi ya ba ditsebi di ko kae.
So did you go to the police station?
I did, and then Kabota, the lady was telling Casey, I can't know.
Yeah.
Kamota, okay, this is what's happening. You phone to get bank, so. The lady was like, no, now really Casey, I wanna file a week, okay? Nah. There's nothing I can do. I was like, how? Just like that. I want to take it right.
Matapelo, how are you?
Yo, I don't know.
Behind not knowing how you're feeling, there's so much in the closet, I'm sure.
Yeah, a lot.
Tell me about yourself. Who are you? Where are you from?
Okay. Lina la ka ke Mathapelo ne. Ke holetse Tembisa. And then
Now we can talk, man. It's just we're just having a conversation. You just tell me who you are, you know. I mean, the answers, they are known by you. I wouldn't know where you're from exactly. Obviously, behind the scenes, you did tell me you are from Bushbuckridge, but you holetse go Tembisa.
Yeah.
You know, I'm just telling people just a little bit of what you told me behind the scenes, but you know better. But anyway, you are from Bushbuckridge. What's going on there in Bushbuckridge? How was it like growing up in Bushbuckridge? Okay.
So now I have nothing to say kaka mahayeng shem, honestly.
Yeah. Ne?
Yeah.
Who stays go Bushbuckridge?
Okay, as I've mentioned, I don't want to talk about her, Mara. Since I told you my grandmother sold the house,
Yeah.
Yeah. After matric, my mom then said, okay, since res na morika yang, ara moveleria mahayeng.
Yeah.
Loko mahayeng ki kukwak. So apparently here ya mahayeng, how about phone lorlia guy cause geli lintlu ya mo mahayeng we reksit. Webo. So abata ba gena tsa hore ai kutsho o mongwe le mongwe o tshwantsa te bona. Remember ke family house.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
bo uncle le bona ba te bona, mama ka wa te bona. But fortunate enough, mama ka na applied to RDP, and then same year, yeah. Oh.
Yeah. So kukwa how o ke mama mang? Ke mama how?
Yeah.
Where is she now? Nowhere to be found.
But I think also communicate tell mama ka mara horudu like guy, we don't know.
That's crazy though.
We don't know. So yeah.
Yeah.
So Hamaka I decided who ya kwa RDP eo equal straight. And I was like, no, I'm not going there.
Yeah.
I just finished my matric and ke passitse hantle. Ne? Mara.
You can mention Roger.
Yeah, ne ke tla feel shem ko kolong ba tseba le bona di hour.
Yeah.
But unfortunately ne ke sa khono kry NSFAS yona ora roba. And nna ko hae vele shem le batho ba bantse bang ko hae a rahola mnate. Baba. Ha o sharp vele. So I was like, no, okay, since ke le ka ra industry nyana e. Era na ke sala cuz mola by then I was still nekile MC. abo so ne ke khona ho pusha abo le tse di bjao, tse di bjao, tse di bjao.
How the industry? What kind of industry are you?
Music industry. I
Okay.
used to sing abo.
So you can sing.
I can sing. Hey, and I was yeah, it's my life, story of my life.
Okay, what kind of music is it? House music?
Nia depend or ke approach ke motho mo bjang. Yabo. And I used to write like the kosha for the celebrity. Nka se ba mention mara ba ntseba.
Mention one. Just one, not three. Just one.
Hey, he's gonna come for me because he was my ex and we broke up ka tselanyana tse because eventually had Toma Tola fame. I'm put her straight to the night, girl. You're no longer my type.
So now bona batho ba go dimo,
type.
you know. And you wrote one song for him.
Not one. I used to stay with that guy. Ke mongwalla like ne re phela re le ka ra studio really too. A re nkeletse mo ke mongwalla like le tshomtsa vele ne dimpa credit ra ntaka wena. So batho ba tseba, people that are close to me, friends, ba tseba ra Ola, he's where he is today because of you. I've been with that guy since grade 9 until ke fetsa matric. So yeah, ke na rutisa dilo tse di baya bo bashimane nyana so ne ke se motho ba bashimane cuz
Yeah.
tlhakang le yena ke sa le monyane wa bo.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I told him to fame. He told me straight up, girl, I was the type I can like a grant.
Were you not heartbroken though?
Yo, till today I'm still heartbroken because everywhere I go, obvious, I hear his songs, I hear his music. I get like a taxi, yo, at work, yabo, everywhere. So yeah.
So he's the guy who introduced you into the entertainment industry.
Not really, because I was Nekilichomia, do you know Miano?
Sort of, yeah. Yeah.
Labantana Barungu, Labantana.
Yeah.
Yeah, that guy. Nekilichomia high. So guy was like, no, come through go studio Saka, Soweto, and then Ribonor. So same day, fortunate enough. So I unkwa kiloko my king. Are ke mangelo o ngobo sole. So that's how Nali guy we met.
So you do amapiano, Villa.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
No, I just heard the way thing, and I thought maybe you do le compo. So
No, the compo no.
you wouldn't, eh? Yeah, you've got an amazing story that we're about to get into. Very interesting. There's a guy, a Nigerian guy who scammed you over 300,000 rands. Can you please tell us how you met this guy just in the beginning?
Okay. So this is how I met the guy. Oh, by the way, I'm a DJ, ne?
Yeah.
So I had friends, but like eke kira di geeky kita mangle bona wabo banyana bao in solo. So Gelo one was like his friend, like I don't like situation here ulunko yona or udula tembisa and struggle patala rent. You can come over, never do like Jobek. You can come over udulele rena as the girls and then retlabono retlakantsha byang. How kira di geeky retla khapa wabo lotse bya. So ntwana imakatsa gore bo gele ne ba sa bereki but like ne bana le chelete. Mara nna by that time lo tsa di hook up le dinging next side tsebi yabo and then I was like a very judgmental friend now mpotso re thomina ke re ke sa se bone ke tlo judge vele wabo cuz ne re salba banyane we were still young by then but no motha kampotsa like lo tse di byao a wanka so judge you have your own reasons sabo so bo gele like they kept the secret wabo mara okay one day they were like okay friend we're going out. There's this guy or inviting, so let's go to that guy. Like have a fun man. Wabo. Car okay, like le rauring re out like outdoors or we going to chill indoors. But no, it's indoor thing because about the I groove I see. Okay, we went to that guy. So when we got there, things happened. Like mola ne ke thomo bona re ganti mo lefatseng ona lo tse di so re di tsebela di movie.
Where was this place? Was it in Joburg?
Midrand.
Okay.
Yeah, the guy stays in Midrand. So when we got there, okay, the girls are having fun, drinking, like they're comfortable, naked.
What is this? Is this a pool party or something?
No, it was not a pool party. And nto makatsang gore guy na le one e le banyana ba bangata. But like never ira everything, like literally everything that you can think of. Dilo tse di snacks fela bo. So like a search me khanti ira lang. But no man listen up khanti king. Why will if so? Because go rumila na regularly 8.
Okay.
So ne really 8. Yeah, ne really 8. Le guy ali one. Mara guy ola okay abita yena chomi ya ka motsore ish chomi ya how you ka ke like cause ga mono rai o a tshwanile lona she's different so gay like gela a tlamputsa re ai phela guy o re wa frostana solo so na ka mmotsa straight ka re chomi mara wa tsebo rena le tse di so ke di tshaba ma Nigeria le di ing a silo tsa ka bo okay ra tlogela lona mo azang ba yetsa fast ba yetsa ing sharp. And then the next morning, Baba sent ba rumela gele chelete. So kutho ba splitter veil. Like it's even for ing. Yabo. Ba splitter how le nna ke re how yaka and then she was like, no, akere wena azangwanya ko participate. So you're not getting anything. Like, oh, okay. Khanti baraka biao. Okay, cool. Fine.
Pardon me. Habare azanga wa participate.
Dilo tseo tsa bona tse di snacks.
What is that? What is that exactly that they were doing?
Like they were they were having sex, wabona, like everywhere. Wabona like lunyana tse ish.
Like having sex in the kitchen.
Everywhere. Balcony in front of me. Ke dutse ko sofeng ba hona mo. Ka guy na no iramanya gang.
Wait. I'm trying to understand the type of a party that this guy was having. So this guy invited 8 women to his own party, and he's the only guy in the house. And people are just having sex anywhere. And then the following day gave you guys money. The friends actually, not
yeah, the
you.
friends. So now the friend was like, no, when are you not getting anything? Okay, cool.
How much was it? Pardon me.
I think if I can really do 1.5, it can fail. Yeah.
So 1.5 times
7, because now I'm excluded. I was excluded.
That's 10,500.
Basically. So, okay, bogeli. Kucho ke found out tilor bairang. So na kadula wana fast ka babutso okay. But this is what's gonna happen. I'm going back go Tembisa mo ke dulang. Mara zanga babotsa straight ura akira tilo tse di di etsang wabo. Cause le nna ke nya go feletsa ke ira dilo tseo nna mama ka fele ne ke mtshaba so nna ne ke na le mentality la gore yo mama ka a kan thola re ke etsa lo tse di so ho ba jwang wa ba okay bo ke le bang cut off vele biao we lost contact 2 years later I remember very well the Nigerian guy and text on textite ka di 3 tsa April. It was last year. Ne. Ka di 3 tsa April. 3 tsa April mo ke dilang nearly due date ya go patela rent. You understand? So that day like I was very frustrated through yo go ikreka chelta rent. Ka mo stand is busy calling about let's say so guy one text hi phelo ke nna semang mang o sa hopola ka le invite kai so ke kopile chomi ya hao number ya hao so it's like oh yeah ke o hopola labo mara same day ne ke mo fa attitude cause I get frustrated labo so I'm putting so handle ntle bothata ba okay like you don't want to talk to me what's happening labo kare no not that I don't want to talk to you this is what's going on ka motsa situation kare yo like nna go hae ho so ish no ke palla go patela rent labo I was like no when I get to no mo jwang nkare itla mo nna ke dulang o ka setle yabo so when I choose like any restaurant o nyokang ko yon we will meet there and then utlamputsa everything yabo it's like ai ke itlhoka anyways cheleta rent ire ke no I'm okay ha re tlhakana ko Mall of Africa yabo he was like okay re tla tlhakana ko Mall of Africa but I don't want to go like inside the mall there are outside restaurants like private outside restaurants ska wara when I'll pay the bill and I was like okay cool kaya request avele he paid the Uber we got there like yo ka order everything, like anything that I wanted, anything ene ke crave. Yena na sanje anontebella fela mputsisa re okay mputse ko yeno le kae, who's working, like le survivors. Anomputsisa like wa mona re one reader wa bo na ke re ke bona dijo obvious ke tlontsha everything kamotsa the like at some point ke alla wang duduza wa bona or no, don't worry, this is what's gonna happen. So o tlong allow na go thuse na because ke a bona gore o chere sharp wabo, and I get about the South African girls, they are after money.
Yeah.
So and na like ke natural, no weave, short hair, like wabo ara banyana ba South Africa ba nyaka like bo di iPhone di weave di eng. So ke a bona gore wena nje o chere sharp wabo, so allow go thuse wabo ke re only if o tlo nthusa ka ditsela tse di right, because na a kenya ke no he ke ya ko ntlunya ha o tlo mpotsa gore room elo ska tsena wabo. So se ke a bona gore wabo aro ska wara ke nna ke rilo tse di so. My mom is a pastor, lena sang rekisetsa bontle ba hae wabo. My mom is a pastor, so don't worry like okay cool. Immediately guy I think a patela rent ya 3 months up front.
Wow.
A patela 3 months up front. Ke na le ene mara ha patela, so irla re monna a re ke sekoloto ke a kolotisetsa, so when I kry chelete you'll pay me back. I was like okay cool, okay sharp. And then matsatsi ha ya azang ra ya plekeng ya hae vele the same day o mpusitse hantle sharp. We started talking and then Ari ish, do you like going out? I was like I do go out, mara it's not my thing. And I prefer the restaurant and not that. I don't know. Let's go out. Abo. Sharp, we went out. Hazang atlang twara airang like little snacks. Like my Nigeria wana jang nix. Brought me back home. So no segi gaina trust. Get out. Oh, he's like totally different from other Nigerians. Abo. So along the way, when I was in high school, grade 8, I was selling my sweets.
At school, ne?
Yeah, ko sekolong. Ne ke lo ngwana mo clean mara ke rekisa ma sweets.
Yeah.
So ka tšhelete ya ma sweets, I was able to buy myself like khale mola the iPhone 6s. The iPhone 6, yeah. So now I bought myself iPhone 6s when I was in grade 8 ka tšhelete ya ma sweets.
Yeah.
Ko sekolong, yabo. So it's like to me, when are you still using iPhone 6s? Let me buy you an iPhone. Abo, ke rena ke sharp ko ring ko mama ke krela ka chelto re ka iPhone na. Abo. So guy are when like hey ha o nya ke manu explore. A ke tse botla etsa story ko mama o tla mo tso krela boyfriend. A ka so hanetse mos. Abo. Okay, sharp. So hare di bekanyana like I think 2 months. Akaze ka ya ko plekeng ya guy na buka le re ka dula 3 days mo a mind dontsha 10k you 15k you a mind na buka ere na sa booking je ntwe cheap na buka le nna ke bona re ya cause na bookisa ko reng ha ke fitla kwa a kenya ke byala wa tsebo re o ke mo rekela dijo fela child, so le nka buka.
So you guys started to date at some point?
Yeah.
Okay.
We started dating. Okay, sharp. Wa buka bya mara ka dula fasilera ka mutsa ka re kgantse wena wa o sanya go ntlisa mo dula ba bo ke eng ntho e fihlang. La mathomo o itse no mo ke dula le maka. So sala bona ke tlisa girlfriend e tlo ba snacks abo ka mo understand ka re okay sharp. Mara eventually shem le ena shem a bona okay ngwanyana o sharp man. Yeah, raya plekeng ya hae.
Okay.
Arna, I was the first South African lady apparently what's bang madulang, even le mama hae a tsebe ona le apartment ko Midrand mara not la re ke tsebang somewhere else are le mama hae a tsebe madulang. So ke nna motho wa mathomo.
Yeah, sorry to cut you. I just wanted to ask, since you guys were dating, did you ever have a conversation about how he's making his money? Because he was paying so much.
Ke tlhalefile nne nkile ka mmotsisa mara a re monna a re okay o mputisetsang because go irela ntho engwe le ngwe e batlang, so why o mputisa gore ke kry-a kae tšhelete? So na like na nketse gore le nna ke feel bad or okay Mathapelo, why are you asking? Because why kry-a vele ntho engwe le ngwe e batlang. So na phela kata conversation because la ba le ko like phone call ke no utlwa hey like I don't want to say her name mara if I chance ke no molela because there's this other lady o ka re o berekisana ke lo ka ro bereka bank if I'm not mistaken, but ke tumelo because lena okay ke tlo tla ko storing seo ne ke tlang ko sona ke le like na phela a phone tumelo ke na le mang ke batlo motlisa mo mara wa utlwe re ba bolela ka tšhelete ke lo bereka bank hantle so ke a yanya ka dilo ko bank o botsa kele webo sorry webo. So yeah, na like na nkhatha mane ke motse sore gantsi wena lunch ya like ko plekeng ya ikrobetse like o tswa o seng a buye late ke motse sore gantsi wena o bereka kae because nna ke tsebone o bereka kae o etsang. I don't know, I have businesses. Okay, you have businesses.
What
Yeah.
kind of businesses? Name one.
Okay, ratswa mo. So the first gift that he bought for I was at his place, Kitchebile TV. He came with an iPhone. Okay, Katab. Okay, he bought me an iPhone. That means ke mogel wa hae kutsho ke straight girlfriend.
Okay.
Hantle.
What kind of an iPhone? What?
It was iPhone 11.
Okay.
Ne.
It's Saturday, I'm sure at the time, ne?
No, it was last year. I'm talking about last year.
Okay.
Yeah, Marana for Nakozakira I was using from 6 to 11.
Yeah.
Yo, that's
huge, yeah. Yeah, that's a big difference.
Yeah. So katava kar kucho mo ka ke te patas bubor okay. Mo ke nna mo. Okay, sharp. So guy wa tseba strategy sa hae sa gore a nkwale mahlo gore ke ska bona gore hantlantle o polenang. Na sa mputse dilo like di beke di latela like okay tla ke re matsatsi a latelana gore okay cause o thomile a re okay ish since ko bona re nyaka mmereko ke tlo sainisa mapampiri a mang cause wa tseba re nna ke na le di connection so ke tlo tla le di pampiri o di sign and then company eo ke tlo botsa gore tlo thomaneng yabo ke re ke raibo gantsi wena why ke sa go company eo ke sign yabo still o tla tshena same thing wena go etsetsa dilo appreciate ing wabo how I can appreciate jwang byanong cuz nna ke go tsebo re ko bereka kae cuz nna ke na qualification wa tsebo I'm still fresh from high school azang ka tla ka university or anything are Mathapelo o gelwaka so when o ska wara ka anything wabo okay sharp how nna ke salibetse ka dipampiri tseo sneng o tla le tsona vele ka nnete ntshainele mo ish I'm leaving ne ke tlo sendela tšhelete gore ke dijo ngeng so signa ko submitela dipampiri tse fast ke re no wanna go through the papers phela baba are so I wouldn't say mara obvious ke mo Nigeria ke so you don't trust me. Hey, what?
They tell you to sign. They tell you to sign.
Sign the papers. I'm a fine girl. You're
Fine girl.
Yeah, but you don't have about the brains and stuff.
Fine girl. They tell you to sign now. I need to go now.
Ooh, I signed the papers.
Oh, snap.
I signed the papers. And then he was like to me, okay, do you have your original ID? Moen. Kaya my wallet is iko kamereng. Aro okay, nkadi me yona ke tla fla ke tse di copy cause a ke ro vya sonya ka mmera go banya ka original into sharp.
No, it's okay. It's okay. You can just put it on mute.
Wabo. Sharp. So, hona le steps e ke se jambileng ne. Guy e ke thoma mo like am patella rent ne. Witse a re monna a re wa itse ba ntho ba reng ke credit score na. Credit score kara ke tsebe ke eng ntho a ra tsebe credit score ke eng ke re no a ke tsebe ba okay this is what's happening since ke batla o thusa ne ke batla o tsela mama ha o furniture o tla story sa hae ke batla o tsela mama ha o furniture mara o tsela mama ha o furniture tshwanetse be le credit score e sharp so na every like nje ke every week every month ke tlo sendela bo ma 30,000 but 30K, don't use it. It's mine, not yours. Now I'm gonna send you the account number. Send it so that I can build your credit score. So that o kgone ho etsetsa mang mama ha o furniture. Le nna ke fonela mama ka yo girl. Ke kry-ile boyfriend. Even I lied to my mama. Said his vendor. Ke kry-ile boyfriend so o batla ke etse credit score. Mama ka re what's a credit score ke eng wena? Motho o nya go tsisa something ka sekoloto phela hore credit score ya hao e be sharp. Wabo? Ka ba ka re mama ka eno na le wabo na le ditori. Na ke a mo tshepa guy.
Yeah.
So he used to send me yona 30K, but I was not using a cent. It was not mine. It was his. Yena into na yetsa, send the account number, send la muthu over my 7K, send la muthu 5K. So he's basically building yona credit score eo, mara liko bank statement yeka. Ibona la ka re na I'm receiving tšhelete ke a bereka basically. So yeah, mara le nna vele ne ke sa rate dilo. Bona nke ke rata dilo obvious ne ke tlo tekrela weavy something mara it's fine. Okay, sharp. So okay, I signed the papers. He asked for my original ID. And then he said to me, li akiri wabona haunta barking pampiri ya ko bank. Inali proof of resident again.
Bank statement.
Yeah, bank statement.
Yeah.
Proof of resident. So yana arkinyaka proof of resident like nyaki bank statement ya how. Yabo. So what you can do, just borrow me a phone. Nek fitla banki, cause I know your thingy. Udampa pin. Nek fitla go banki glan santuela, and then mutane ke he left it my phone. So kucho answer yana bank statement di EU. Ya ba o ka re vele ki hola 30,000 cause o ka re ko yona pampiri e o ke signileng nna. It was a fake employment contract where it mentions or yeah, I'm earning 30,000. So I can respond le into yak.
Oh snap.
Why boy sharp. Abuya ario, I have good news ya ko company shemba le ba batla o tsentsha so ke tlo botsa re ning. Yabo. Ke le nna ke thabile yo. Ko hola sharp mo so bo ha guy o ke a mo tshepa o babo. Sharp. Dibeke dia feta. Mo yona perioding eo, the guy was able to ankise sekolong, ankirisa license, ankirisa passport. So that's how I gained like trust. Ke mo tshepa ke re this guy wang rata. He's here for pure intentions. Ha tshwanele manageria amang. Babo. Okay, sharp. Ne ke phela sharp man, rent ne ke sa isweli, dijo ne ke sa isweli, and I'm sure ne ke jumpisa tsatsi le 1 and then the rest of the week ke na le ena. Ra bona ke phela ke na le ena mara ke sa go understand or hantlantle motharo ya mmerekong o ya kae.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, sharp karai. It's fine as long as ke le sharp. Mama ka ha ronya ka borotho ke gone mo fa borotho. Ai, ke sharp. Cool. And then tsatsi le lengwe okay, we were watching a movie, and then I remember, I was thinking, since let me buy you a car. This is what's gonna happen. It's gonna like register ko Ubeng since una license. O tla tokgathela wena o nyaka motho o berekele or wa te berekele. So every week o tla thola tšhelete wena. Mara nna koloi eo, I'll pay it like ke tla ipatela cash. O ska ba mo dikolotong. This is going to be your car. Wena ona sekoloto sa next. So wena ha o kra allowance na yo every week, o ska tlholong khopela next. Abo because I get o thola bo ma 2,000 3,000 every week. So unkopa eng. Kar hi okay, sharp. Abo so kar okay, manje ha re wena o tla ipatela o na le tšhelete na. Arda. You know me, miss. Yeah, na vele ne le para body Louis Vuitton, Gucci. He had money.
Yeah.
I don't wanna lie. He had money. I have money. So, and I just sold my land ko Nigeria. So, tšhelete tsene wena ke tlo rekela nyana koloi e cheap. A so re phela ke tlo shapa ka paza wabo. As long as wena o tlo pusha ntho ya hao and then re be sharp, wabo. Na ntshepisa lo nyala mothola.
Serious?
Yeah. Since we don't have kids, like in yaka firstborn ya how valley, ibe firstborn rona wabo.
And you were prepared for that, ne?
Yo. yena o monyala shembe never cause yo Nigeria.
Yeah. No morata, but you had limitations. So
Yeah, yena shembe ke
That's
marata mara ne ke re a bona tseo tsona never wa bona. Sharp. So a re tla ndekela koloi. Okay, ka botsa ditšhomi tsaka nna ke nana ba na le jealous. So bona he ba mpotsa no ba re nna ne re tshaba o botsa gore mzala batho ba so okay ke ba botsa ditšhomi tsaka wa bona gore like they were off.
These are the same friends ba ba tsamaileng le wena
ba le since re tgawana mo till today ya ke tle ka ba bona.
So it's a good ditšhomi tsa hao tse mpšha.
Yeah wa bo. So ke ba botsa ke re phela ebile ka o mpoditse lebitso la maka o itse.
Are you serious?
Yo, ka o mpoditse lebitso la maka apparently a se ena motho o a reng ke yena. Ke ba botsa ke re phela motho ke a re yo kwa re rekela koloi yabo. So okay sharp ka e vele tsatsi le lengwe a re okay on this day I'm part date a re ka tsatsi le so please wake up very early in the morning ube montle and then re tlo ya ko car dealership nna ke re ke ya le boyfriend a ke re ke ya le yena pen kanti this guy he knows ura ke re ko di car dealership ngula di camera so yena he knows how it works. He doesn't go there vele yena le yena even his car I'm pontsha yo I bought BMW is it X5 or eng baba
yeah
azanga ya yena car dealership it was bought by somebody else a tlatlafa guy jwang a ke tsebe sharp. So now in my mind I'm like okay I'm going to get a car. Let me think of color yena ke ratang cause o re ke fitla ko ke ska ba confused too much ke no tsore no I want this one ganti no. First of all azanka vaya le guy azanka tsamale the boyfriend ho tlile guy o mongwe bari he said ke driver yeah my boyfriend I don't know I'm his driver so yena he's kind of busy so now I'll be the one otlo assistanka like throughout the whole work.
Yeah.
So I was like okay sharp. So the guy ke busy ke chatha le yena o re monna o re hona le batho ba car track ba tlo founela di insurance tsa koloi wena anything ba botsang ka koloi o ska bolela next if a guy phone he'll handle everything babo wena just say you are busy ya o ba fa authority or guy a go ahead a o bolelele and stuff okay on our way there ba bolela ba mputsisa gore mathapelo wa dumela na go re bolelele batho bao le nna ka dumela ka re no it's fine I'm still busy le nyane tse so babo sharp. And then esetsa ile dropa phone ka o fela bona ba botse re no ke kopo hantle kopo cancela dilo tseo kopo cancela maybe car track kopo e cancela yona ntho kopo cancela yona ntho wa bo ba motse so why no like she just bought this car and is re bona ka refinance di tlo meta wa bo le tse di so how okay ha fetso dropa ke a motsisa ke re how wa o di cancela cause koloi e silence re ka re ratswa mo ba re tshwara po a re no nna ke follow ntwe boss ya ka imputseng gore ke follow yabo sharp how ke botsisa guy how babe khanti what's happening why o botsa mo guy o ra canceleletse a re o tlo di patela ka nlo tseo cause wena o bereki and na go botsa ka rena go rekela koloi fela after koloi e wa accept again so wena what you'll do if koloi ya senya o tla isa ko mechanic wa ko kasi o tla ba afford bao ka okay ya o ke I understand car track nna ke ya ka car track if a ke tsebe re koloi ko ka ke re bjang alright don't worry dilo tse dinyane tseo aba o tshwere nna wena it's like okay cool we went to the car dealership okay hera tsana ka mnyako ke a sheba nna koloi ke batlang ibile ho tla guy o mongwe like he's black it's like what ke re bona di customer ngere yena hello hi so ola wa lo go a haitla o botsa o re no batho ba ke baka ne ke metse bona and then one putsisa are you mathapelo ke re yes okay please follow me. We followed the guy throughout the entire process. I did not do the talking. I did not say anything. I did not even know hore koloi ke eng ho irahala eng. The guy was the one who was talking. I'm putsa okay ba re sign mo. Kanti, that ID, like if you guy, the papers that I've signed, the fake employment thingy, uri hlakantshitse. So bank your car dealership eo, se itse bo rena ke hola sharp. So that's how I got the car. You understand? So got ID eo, I get it over. So okay, the car is under my name. I get we enter ka ID eo.
Yeah.
Yeah. So okay, sharp how. Na ibile a ke tsebe ro reka koloi ba nyaka eng. Kona no ke fatlholoa no because I'm in this mess.
You are new into this thing.
Waibo.
Yeah.
So okay, I signed whatever tseba itse ke di sign ibile ne re le VIP vele na le mo kae. Ne re sa dula le di customer dingwe like
Wow.
re tshwere ke tlala ba rekela kae le gwa le rekela pizza.
Wow.
They even bought me champagne. Nabo ba tsebo re ya ke mogelo wa guy. Ba tsebo re guy vele na le tšhelete a ka o bribe no ka 10k. Waibo. Sharp. So okay, I'm sorry dutse kwa bo ma 2 hours cause koloi ba re ne tloa ile kai Mpumalanga wa bona isiyo kwa. So we waited like for 2 hours. Okay, the car arrived. We took pictures. I took pictures. Bang shoot. Okay, sharp. So it's time to go home. Who's taking the car? It's my car. I have to take the car. Like, so ke botsa guy ke re, okay, I can drive phela. What are you doing? Ke bona ka re se o tsena mo wa bo. Tlisa koloi ke vaile koloi. Koloi ke aka mos ene le boyfriend ta gore ke tsena mos. Guy are that's not what your man told me nna. Your man said wena mo dulang you don't have parking. That's into ya guy buletseng. A re o rile wena mo dulang ga ona parking. So ha o sena parking we paka kae koloi. Wena re tlogele re tse koloi eo. And then her fetso o apply la yona Uber eo. Then I'll bring the car. Okay. So ke botsa guy, ke text a guy, boyfriend tag. Ke re guy o re so. So re ira bjang taba a re ya phela ona parking. So o tla bia guy. Webo. Ke re yane eo ke plan ne. Ke re okay sharp. And then guy are okay. Guy o tlo khapa Pitori ne. Pitori mo ke ditšhomo tsaka and then ha o fitla kwa ke nya go change iPhone 11 eo. Ba fe iPhone engwe, maybe 12.
On the same day.
On the same day.
Yeah.
Ke re for eng? I don't know baby, ke surprise ya boletse. Gantse o nya go fitla di chat tse la ke re wa tsa re ne re bolela vele ka phone. So o nya ka basically ke change phone.
Wow.
Waibo. Hlale fila mo. So area o tlo khapa Pitori. Ha o fitla kwa change phone e o tsie 12 wabo upgrade man wabo cause wabo okay guy ankap wabo mara ke bona re mo tsileng man like I'm not comfortable guy he's not even allowing me to change music wabo re ke connect ke tse e ke re ke tshwara mo I know don't touch that eng hebo
But it's your car.
oh
Yeah.
okay sharp he re fitla kwa ke tshware pampiri tsa koloi ke original papers tsa koloi ka letso so ke re ke a tswa ka mo koloing one stop ra shia di pampiri tseo babo ke re why cause ke tsaka I don't know hero apply la Uber ba tlo nyaka di pampiri tseo like re tlo di scanner so babo re tlo di scanner so when I di shie babo Kamsheba. Karaoke sharp. Kadishia. So, Arabona, okay, now I'm leaving. Well, now your man will request for you. Horoya koko modulang. Okay. Kagitaina kababota okay, kitile ka motho so. Okay, ba yetsa vela. Fast. They took the iPhone 11. Gave me 12. Gave me laptop. Na setsa ba bobuditse velo ra fitla mo moving so. Wabo. Sharp request went home. Ko botsa ke re since like ke reka koloi e wa ka se ka mona le guy boyfriend yaka. A ke re go buditse ka re like no sna re ka be ne ke sa money like maybe one day then 6 days ago fela ne ke phela ke na le ene. Yabo. So, guy, how can I text her? Babe, can't what's going on? Where's the car? What's happening? Obo, I don't know. Uba itse nako who yetsa process who dumela wena cause I can ing. So ska wara ke re, okay, let me come to your place. Abo re dule kaofela ing.
Yeah.
Are yo nna ke le ke Nigeria.
All of a sudden.
Yo. Are nna ke le I'm in Nigeria. How you in Nigeria? How? Why? Why bo Ish ke batlo lla bara a ke batlo lla wait. How what happened? How o fitlile bjang mo Nigeria? Ngabo are is ke na le ke go re mpoditse ditori tse dingata kana ko one. La mathomo o itse o ile Nigeria because of business. Mara wa bona gore manje I'm fuming no ke kwatile no ke a mmotsisa ke re a yo ntho when I guys why somewhere o sampotso ro ya kae what's happening. He's like no okay this is what's going on I'm sick ngabo ke na le di clots wa bo mo mmeleng so ke ile like ko hospital e ke tshepang a ke tshepe di hospital tsa go South Africa solo ke okay sharp then in number ya abutola he ke communicate le ke motso re ke nyaka koloi and then guy I know I can't give you his number when you'll communicate with me trust me believe me ke tlo o fa koloi ya hao wa bo lena sa kwa tore wa hlanya ko reketse koloi ga tshotlo ntja ga so mpontsha di true colors tsaو ing tho o ba le go botsa ke re ke ya kula wena ntho na leng taba le yona ke the car wa bo a umputse sore ke sharp ing so let nna again ke start to feel bad gore a khumara wa ke tsa so wa bo ke relax so mama tsatsing ha sa nkaraba kae we completely like stop talking a ke tsebe re mplokile o re iralang o re tlhokofetse a ke tsebe so kana hana ka raya man same day ko car dealershipping ne ke tseya ke guide picture so ang sendela tsona ka WhatsApp meaning ke la le number tsa hae e re ke di check ka di thola vele ke founela guy I don't even know his name kara hi o bolela le mathapelo so ne ke mo botsa re koloi yeah guy amputsa way to get off he literally insulted me amputsa the way na killing I don't know if I should say the word
Don't say it.
Yeah katengi I'm a gold digger so yeah ba ntshitse ntho e ke na leng yona basically wabo so ka mmotsisa ka re bonjani guy ke o bolela ka eng ke a re ke re can you please stop calling me I'm gonna block your number stop calling me ka nnete vele guy am block he blocked my calls he blocked me on WhatsApp he blocked me so I ke khone mo ka le ko Instagram because why I don't know his name I ke motsibe
Sure.
but I was able to get his picture go profile picture that's how I got his picture yo ke sendela my boyfriend I'm sure yo every day when I wake up in the morning when I go to sleep ke mo sendela can't where are you in so we bought the car Augustine Akasana yo before we got to the car dealership he don't tell me go buditsa ke re ka re mpuditse ka Discovery Bank
Yeah.
a rena Discovery Bank ke bank ya eng ya o bulela my family insurance ya bon hore se mamanga ka hlokofala ke gone ntsha chelete ke cover family against us can't know he basically wanted to take loan ya o patela the car na e ampuditse ngore yena o ipatetse cash so he basically took the loan ka lebitso laka hore ba modumetse jwang yena a ke tsebe because it wasn't me.
No, he was working with that lady. The lady that was calling multiple times.
Yeah. Well, I understand. So he got the loan, he paid off the car, now I'm owing the bank. Because I get obviously he had my ID. So I'm sure he was able to do it. Okay, August na yo ya feta month end wa August ke thola SMS Discovery Bank you owing 2 point something so go tsho manja ke re se ba deducta ba nyaka yeah how ke thola outstanding balance 2 point something yabo mind you I'm not even working go kra kana 2 point something ew the screenshot and talk am sendela guy but this is what's happening he's not responding This is what's happening.
1 tick.
2 ticks. But I answer till today, come send a little 2 ticks. So none okay, I'll get to that. Ne? 2 ticks. Matsatsi a feta. 2 ticks. Ke mo tsaka khantse discovery bank ke eng. Yabo. So abang answer vele. Hi one hona mo. Ang answer hi babe. I was in hospital. Hey man, I go sharp. Wabo answer a message all. I don't know. Uska imenda to banki e vele ibereka biao. You know what's a outstanding tse o sa di tsebeng. So we're not, never mind that. Lo ka kra di call di re banking never mind that. It's nothing. Wena angwala vele ka bold. Calls, messages, emails ignore. That's what he wrote. Are ignore as nix lotse wena just ka ba le stress. Ka ro sure ko le ye o ipatetse wena. Babo. Are o nyaka re thome fase futhi ko botse the way o sa appreciating ka teng. Yabo. Okay. Sharp. Kare okay, since wena o nyamalla mo matsatsing ro ibereka jwang cause le guy ola wa ha o blockile. So what the markets he blocked you for eng manje cause if Nike you trying to communicate le yena. Solo kara ina ke tseba don't worry ke tla bolela le yena ke motsora unblock yabo cause tshwantse a etise koloi ko wena ke re okay sharp. Okay, August fedile, October 2 he's not saying anything, November 2 he's not saying anything. Manje se ke tshwara ke stress or how phela every month nna se ke thola and yana mella phela charity for if o skipper yana mella. How se ke a December. Okay, on my birthday. By the way, birthday ke ka 31 December. So ke am senda like phela nka se New Year re sa bolela jo dintshang. Nix 2 ticks. January, February ka ya police station he cause ke a bona gore manje taba e se ile serious. Wa bona ek fitla police station nte ba mpuditse yona kore no, we won't be able to help you because it's under ke agreement o agree le wena nkere. So a ona ntho re tlo irang mo ne ke thusa ke motho wa monna ka re marang ka se give up. Sharp. Satlele ke no ya vele police station ke thola batho ba different ba no mpotsa ditori no ish o paisisa ke location mo le entseng koloi sole swabo until I got the lady, the one that we're talking to. Yeah. I sat down with the lady ka mmotsa ke re this is what's happening. No ke khamile ke dikoloto tsa bank cause never e ke ba botse le ke ba founela le ko bank ke ba botsa ba re ke kolota 303. It was 303,000. So now because ne ke skipa dilo tse it's now on 693.
Sure.
Sharp. Ka mo la story mo gele I don't know. Na ntho botsang ka yona ka ofela mo ke scam ba o scamile basically and a sona motho mathomo cause ba yena ba ngata ba tla mo police station ba bolela the very same story. So guy gore ke thole dibitso la hae mo lang ampotso ro Nigeria o sendile ticket khantso le betso cropper
the name
yeah. But he was able to barking ID number. Yeah, ho tlosa ID number ke sa bona ID number but the name a ke tsebo lebetse jwang. So that's how ka bona ra motho nna ke mtseba ile so le lona le tsa kae la bona. So okay ke le vele anthusa vele o bula case ra bula case and then ke communicate le bank ka ba botsa vele cause motho na anthusa ko bank vele o diphile na ka mamela story ka motsa ke re no this is how I sign the papers cause I'm not hiding anything again. This is how I signed the papers. Then I didn't know hore motho nang scammer so ko bank ba mpulela ba mpha case number. So no I didn't know seki a ke patele bank. Wa bona if it hile to a point where manje bank is say isitse case ko diloyeng.
Okay.
Wa bona so wa ba le motho bank a ke tsebe re bank ke eng ma ile nna ke like le nna today I'm still confused re ke bank e. But one day I got a call from this guy. I was like, no, oh, yeah, fraud.
Okay.
Ne. Ke na mang. Ish, ko pompotsa story sa how. I don't even know re no stibela guy. mpotsa story sa hao, ke a mmotsa. So le nna motho o mpha hope ya re wa understand story sa ka, because I was like, oh, basically these guys ba o scamile, ha bo. Ke re ya ba scamile. Okay, wena sendele the picture tse o nang le tsona, picture tsa koloi, if you do have, ask the bank to send you the copy ya the car, sendele dinepe tsa bo guy engeng. So o mpha hope ya re oh shame wa tseba wa se utla story se ke mo fang sona, understand. So ka mo sendela nna guy iyo. 2 days later he then called and was like police station e so it tlo founela go buletse case ya fraud. Ke re buletse nna case ya fraud e be le re nna ke butseng case. How is it possible for you go re bulele nna case le nna ke butse case? Because what you were supposed to do gore o thuse nna.
That's what you said to me. That's what you did.
Yeah, because le no mphile hope ya re no, okay,
I'm gonna help you.
I'm gonna help you.
Yeah.
Bobo. So ka ya mpotsa re no, ke found ile out hore employment contract e we signileng, you were not the only one. Apparently re 5 ba di thotseng. So kucho vele they are fake. Company wa e bila exist. So kucho guy o berekisitse le banyana ba bangwe. Wa bo hore a ba itsise tsona lo tseo le banyana ba o le bona kolo ya ba ditsebe di ko kae. So ke okay, ke ye reason a kere ya o bontsha le wena hore guy o na tsa maskema batho. So rena re bulelwa di case ka lebaka le lefeng. Wa bo I was like, no, nna a ke tsebe mara nna ko buletse case ya fraud. Lona le le 5 e bya ke buletse case ya fraud. Lebo.
So how much or phela nna ke butse case before bula case?
A re nna a ke tsebe case e o butseng ke eng mara nna ko botsa straight re ko buletse case ya fraud.
So did you go to the police station?
I did, and then ka botsa the lady was hearing case ya ka no.
Yeah.
Ka motsa ka okay, this is what's happening. Ke phone ke bank so. The lady was like, no, na vile case ya wa bona file we ko kae. Na ntho ke tla botsang yona ko re tlo tshwara. There's nothing I can do. I was like, how? Just like that. No, I want to get ready dirang. I'm put straight vela re tlo tshwara.
Did you try find out maybe about the 4 other ladies, because it seems like you're the 5th?
Go back ra guy. So basically, I'm going to jail for something I did not do, for a crime I did not commit. Whatever.
Have you attended court?
Not
before?
yet.
Did they give you a date? It's still an ongoing process.
I'm sure they're still investigating.
I really think that if we would find these 4 ladies, you guys can come together and point out this guy and say, this guy has scammed us.
Cause I get because guy who mentioned one, Ariabile one Rabonori, she's not South African, Utako Mozambique.
The lady.
Yeah. So ke yona ntho e ke kry-ileng fela hore o one o tswa ko Mozambique. So ntho e makatsang kore kwa police station they're not even asking about Mugai hore maybe picture or eng.
Yeah, they don't even.
Ke nna ke tlang le tsona ke re no, here's his picture. Abo okay, be mo.
If when we was the detective from Monzoro, no, that this guy silangisa kwa nanko thing silelaya maybe.
They've never asked. Guy o ke na le snippets, you can literally see number plate ya guy.
Yeah.
Wabo. Ke na le number plate ya guy. I have address ya mama hae madulang. Cause mola a ke tsebe ke eng ntho ya kokoloing baby like itla after matsatsi baby ya kokoloing. Permit.
Yeah.
Permit itlile ko nna guy are ubarela permit eo cause a ke re koloi ikwa. Amfa address.
Did you take a picture of the permit?
I think I do have.
So which means unale number plate ya koloi.
Yeah, ke na le yona number plate ya koloi. Webo. Ke a mmotsa ke re motho la ke a tsebo re na dula kae. Mara a ba mpotsise hore ke re khape mo a dulang a re ro motheke. Nna ntho e ba mpoditseng yona fela gore o tlo tshwarwa. You are going to jail.
So what does this lady say, the one that we spoke to, the police officer?
Oh, what's her? Because she's just a constable fela. Or like a sergeant.
And she wants to help you. I spoke to her and I can see that she wants to help you. The thing is that she's sort of like limited.
Yeah. And all of them motor when okay na kai morita bentsi. Cause if wa kena dira gore lwena wa tsebo ngwana o na etsang. So a bona le nna nka se mo kentse mo mathateng a sa wa tsebeng. Cause lena watch o re re ko police station ke ya ko geli like maybe ke mo hoele ko site ke motse ke re like is mo understand or ke ba yana ba ikae mo South Africa ba ba yentseng so.
I think you should speak to her so that Likono ya go the place the other guy. Unless if you open a case of fraud towards the guy.
Yo, ke la nya ko kwa next shame.
Nka tlhalohanya le ena a nyoko lose mmereko wa hae.
But like she's not willing to help. That's the thing. Yena urile yena asari kena. So yena afa guy o abuletseng na case permission or when you can do anything we batlang.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
You can't go to jail. You can't go to jail, Joe. You're 21. First of all, I'm sorry about what happened to you. May you please send me the picture of the guy? Send me the pictures of the car. Send me the number plate as well, so that we put them out there and we make people aware that this guy has been wanted because of this guy is involved in corruption. And I hope that those 4 other ladies that he scammed, they come forward and they see this video after seeing this guy's picture. And I bet you for sure that you are not the only victim here. There's a lot of South Africans who are victims of this crime. People are taking loans that they don't even know. Look at your life right now. You need help or else you're going to go to jail. But I bet you for sure that that's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. The guy took advantage of you because of you are young, Joe. It's not like you know everything. And I don't blame you for not knowing everything. It's your first time of buying the car. It was your first time seeing the permit, signing those documents and stuff like that. And he bought your trust and you gave him your trust. And now it seems like you don't have hope. Nobody wants to help you. You said you stay alone. How are you feeling? Because I'm concerned. You did tell me before we started to shoot that sometimes you think of taking yourself out. Imagine a beautiful lady like yourself, Joe, like going through all of this. Why would somebody do such a thing, Joe Sipo? Why would somebody do such a thing?
Mara, to be honest today, it's not even a threat or I'm trying to get attention. Mara, like insuku zogcina man uyazizwa man. Like oh God, this is the end. Wow. Cause even at work, like yo. Ba bona ore yo. Mathapela bona ye wena. You tshwereng shem. Ai na shem insuku zogcina
I'm sorry about what happened to you, Matapel.
No, I'm tired. I don't want to lie.
And you're not this kind of a person. You're such a lovely person who's ever smiling.
No.
You know.
Kanza said, if Batavan Bang Batli won a podcast day, but Lomaka, Lord Matapela, so what happened? What happened?
what would you like to see happening in order for you to get justice?
Yo, because the other guy maybe ko Nigeria ke tsebe, but maybe ba ka thusa o kry o the one that I was with ko car dealershipping, maybe ke yana ka arabelang dilo tse kaofela. And then le bank e ka cleara lebitso la ka hle, yo na re go le sharp. Cause guy yena before a tsho tsona tseo tsa re go buletse case, o rile monna a re since ba o scamile batho ba, na case ya hao e tlo handle ke nna, and I'll be able to clear your name gore ba ska o blacklist, ba ska o ira selo, cause ke a understand how 2 days down the line go buletse case. So in my mind I was happy gore yo at least ba tlo ncleara le lebitso la ka.
Yeah.
Ba bo kae ba le nna a tsana taba le bona he. Yeah.
So he took the original papers of the car and why some shigo high so that he can change the ownership.
The ownership.
So now the car, it's under his name. Original name that you had, that you saw on the flight ticket.
Na police station ba no vele ba no change the ownership. Azang ba mbotso re.
Yeah, but what they're supposed to do, they're supposed to look at the track record of the owners of the car. Okay, this car before it was owned by this guy, it was owned by this lady. What was the process? Did this lady sign this paper? Where are the documents? Or this guy o berekisana le batho ba ko banking, o berekisana le batho ba ko traffic department. He has all the people. You did mention something that he has money to bribe people. He even bribed probably the guy wako dealership in the white guy. So he has everybody in place.
Mlona le phodisa le lengwe ke le mfounela ka WhatsApp. Wa bona mo la hona shem ne ke puditse re ke tronkong mo zama o te hlaba or something o vele o time once cause mfonetse ka WhatsApp. A re kwana mathapelo ke re a re we've been looking for you. You've been looking for me. Yeah, ke nna detectives mang what ba buletse case ka re no o nyoko re nna ke butse case or ba mpuletse case a re ke re ba buletse case, so we've been looking for you.
The case, the same case or the guy of
yeah fraud mara okay o wa WhatsApp o ka se nka se phone le ke le phodisa ka WhatsApp la demanda tšhelete gore ke ntshe bokae kae eng.
Oh snap, he demanded money. How much?
Demanded money. It's like in some guy 5 point something. 5 point I could tell pula, but it was 5 point.
Crazy. Maybe na zama ho type.
Bothata gore batho ba information ya ka ba ikera kae. Ya bona as you've said uri una le motho maybe azamang ho ko morao. Tlhabang ko morao wa bo. A ke tsebe gore ke mang.
Probably it's because of the guy who saw the information
Ne.
Yeah, because remember Morometse ID number, bank statement, those sensitive information. So he might be trying to do other things. The only thing that he doesn't have is your signature. I'm a bit concerned because the time when you were signing those papers, cropping your signature. And then by is some sort of like a Photoshop, but duplicate the signature how.
Because I can hear them too.
Ash. I hope there are people who are watching this who are willing to help you, whether be it a lawyer, a woman especially, because of it seems like men are not really interested in helping you. Even if it's a man, that would be great. A lawyer, a police officer who can help you with your case so that you can get justice. Because now you owe the bank 600,000. You can't even pay because whatever money that you get, you work night shift, whatever money that you get, you still have to feed your family back home.
Nobody's working at home. Come I have to pay rent. But I'm glad I don't have a child.
Are you able to sleep at night?
Because last day, he posted on Facebook. And I wrote, rest in peace. So people basically thought, or really, I passed away. Like, so no, if I didn't into again, I did explain, or no, it was a coincidence. Some about nailing J. So no get tshaba tswa ko ntle cause ba bangwe ba ra hao ka nta o shonanga wena, not knowing gore batho ba ba tsebe gore ke na le mathata mantši a se gore ke irile because ne ke nyaka attention ke ntho ne ke e feela ka nako eo. You understand?
That's a fault there.
So yeah, no, ke se ke le joke.
You're not. There are people that are willing to help you. There are people that are gonna feel sorry for you. There are people that are gonna support you. Nothing has ever happened to one until something like this happened to one. There are people that are gonna watch this and they're gonna comment and say, you are lying and stuff like that. It's what I'm born about. They've never experienced something like this. Until something happens to you similar to this, you will know that but I'm sorry, Matapelo. I'm sorry. I can't do so much, but this is the little that I can do to tell your story to the whole of South Africa. And I hope that you get justice. And if there are people that are willing to help you to settle the debt, we'll just put the bank details so that they can support however that they can, at least for you to sort of fight, because I know life is not easy. Thank you.